Yes, death and taxes are certain in our life. My name is Shirley Boy Mutiba. I'm your tax and financial advisor. Yes, I'm on a series on how to actually reduce, legally so, reduce your estate duty upon your death. One ways also to reduce your potential estate duty that is applicable upon someone passing on is making use of a donation allowance. What do I mean by that? An individual, a natural person, you and I are allowed in terms of the law or tax law rather to donate up to 100,000 every tax period. What is our tax period? From the 1st of March to the end of February, right? The following year. So which means that if I've got 100,000, I can actually donate it, and that way I'll be reducing my estate. Will you agree with me? So what then people do, those who have money and they want to form structures, they have an investment structure that will include a trust, and then they'll donate that 100,000 legally. So they'll donate that 100,000 to the trust, and then from there they have to declare to SARS. Also, the trust will have to declare to SARS that it received the donations, and as long as the compliance is actually up to date, you comply, you disclose your deed of donation, sign, everything is above board, you can actually effectively on an annual basis reduces your estate. Imagine if it's couple, you can actually do that where you're donating 200,000 together, and then you can even use that money to invest using that. So that's another way where people reduce their estate over time. Okay, good luck.